Firefighting equipment is essential to protecting life and property from the devastating effects of fire. In this video, we'll review the best fire extinguisher, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different fire extinguishers. By the end, you'll know exactly which best fire extinguisher is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The Kidde Fire Extinguisher offers reliable and easy-to-use protection for a wide range of common household fires, making it an essential safety tool for any home. Whether it's a kitchen flare-up or an unexpected electrical fire, this extinguisher is effective against fires involving trash, wood, paper, flammable liquids, gases, and electrical equipment. With all-metal construction, the unit is built for durability, yet remains compact and lightweight thanks to its aluminum body, ensuring it's easy to handle even in stressful situations. The easy pull safety pin and clear pressure gauge make operation and status checks straightforward. If the arrow is green, it's ready to go. It contains 2.5 pounds of extinguishing agent, ideal for quick response in residential settings. The extinguisher is UL listed and comes with a 6-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. Its 12-year service-free design means you won't have to worry about costly maintenance. The included mounting bracket with a UL-approved plastic strap ensures easy and secure storage. Plus, scanning the built-in QR code provides instant access to registration and warranty info. With its practical design and trusted performance, the Kidde Fire Extinguisher is a smart, life-saving investment for every household. Thanks for watching the video.